What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the video. I'm actually adding this from yesterday's video. I decided to record a little bit more. I did feel a little bad. The video was pretty short. Today's going to be kind of a short video too, but I was like, you know what, let me just add more content because I decided I didn't have this recorded and so in my video yesterday, but decided to make this yesterday and just throw it into this video. So I'm finishing up my FBA shipment that I was getting done yesterday, but I wasn't able to record it. So here we are. So I'm labeling up the cat decals, the 3-packs, and then the single packs of the cat decals, and then I also labeled those medicine bottles, and then yeah, packing this up, and then I'm going to label it, and this is going to get sent out. And then I decided to make some mock-ups. This was this morning. This is for the side part of the fender on a charger, but I mean it could work for anything. It's just a mock-up of a sticker. I'm just adding more graphics or photos to my Amazon listing so they can be well optimized. Alright, so I'm running into this issue. It says a GTN exempt is required, and I hit apply now. And I'm almost done with this listing that I'm creating here. I hit apply now. It goes to this page, does not show anything here. Okay. And then I hit, I'm assuming this is approve button. And if you look at this URL, it'll go to an error, and then it doesn't show anything. And it's like, what do you want me to do? This is Amazon to a T, like errors and problems, and it's great. I wasn't able to figure that out today, so I'm gonna try to work on that tomorrow. But yeah, just finishing up a order that I got on Faire, which was pretty rad. Yeah, it was for a children's hospital, so it was pretty cool. And then finishing up some customer orders, and that was pretty much it. And so guys, this is the video. Tomorrow's gonna be a shorter video as well. I'm gonna wake up early and get it done. I'm going to a backstage concert to Kaleo, which would be insane. So let's go over yesterday's revenue and see how much money we made.